back to my channel, The Aesthetic Sketchbook. Today I've got a Veer Gatha project from my school, so I thought of sharing it with you all. It's about the Gallantry Awards, and I chose the topic Paramveer Chakra and our brave hero, Captain Vikram Batra. He was India's one of the most fearless soldiers, a man whose courage still inspires millions. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made a A3 size chart, designed it, and also a heartfelt poem about both of them, Paramveer Chakra and our captains. Dive into this project that celebrates bravery, pride and pure love for our nation. So for my Veer Gatha project, these are all the materials that are required. So here we have a chart paper, it is of A3 size. We have tape, Fevicol, pencil, cutting tools, eraser, scale, a black pen and these markers. Secondly, for my project, I am going to need these two printouts. So this is Captain Vikram Batra and this is the Paramveer Chakra. It is on A4 size paper. And we will also need watercolors in between the process. So first, let's start with the process and I will tell you the story about Captain Vikram Batra. So the layout is going to be like, here will be two of the pictures of Paramveer Chakra and Captain Vikram Batra. Here will be the title, the Veer Gatha project, and also my topic, Paramveer Chakra. We had to choose between a description and a poem, so I've chosen poem and I'll be writing a 4-stanza poem. So the two pictures here and the title, and here will be the poem. We're making a border almost of 2 cm. Captain Vikram Batra was born on 9 September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. From a young age, he was brave, kind and full of energy. After completing his studies, he joined the Indian Military Academy and was commissioned into the 13 Jack Rifles. In 1999, during the Kargil War, he played a key role in capturing Point 5140. When his mission succeeded, he radioed the message, "Ye dil mange more," the words that made him immortal. I'll be sticking the pictures like this. Here I'm writing Veer Gatha project and here is Paramveer Chakra. Let's continue the story. Later, he volunteered for another dangerous mission to capture Point 4875. He fought fiercely, saving his men and pushing forward even when injured. Sadly, he was martyred in action on July 7, 1999. For his unmatched bravery, he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra posthumously. So this is it. I have written the title Veer Gatha project and my topic Paramveer Chakra, and I've also drawn a border outside, so it's looking good. We are going to color it in tricolors. So I'm planning to divide this part into half. Now let's take the pictures. I've written the entire poem and the important points with a pencil. So the title of the poem is The Lion of Kargil. It is because Captain Vikram Batra was also known as Sher Shah. Now we'll rewrite everything using a black pen. Now I'll read the poem for you all. Brave hearts rise when duty calls. They stand like mountains, never fall. For India's honor they give their all. Their courage shines eternal and tall. On Kargil's peak so cold, so high, Captain Batra fought. He chose to try. With fearless steps and spirit true, he showed the world what heroes do. Bullets rained, but he stood strong, protecting his men all along. A lion roared on icy stone, his courage carved in hearts alone. Heroes like him inspire us more, their sacrifice we can't ignore. His name will shine forevermore, his last words echo, "Ye dil mange more." Here I'm writing the title of the poem and also writing his most famous slogan, "Ye dil mange more." After tracing the entire poem and highlighting the key points, Let's move on to the title and border. I'm using a dark navy blue color, like the color of Ashok Chakra. After completing the title, it's time for the border. For the border, I'm thinking of a gradient effect of tricolors. So starting with saffron on the top, and then white, and then green, then again white and saffron. For that, I'm going to use watercolors, less water and more pigment. Here I'm painting the division thingy with blue color. Also using tricolors for the photo borders. Pixies, I just saw that I wrote the spelling of true wrong, so I've sticked a paper on it. I know it's not looking so good, but that's the best I could do to save my project. And here's the chart. This chart reminds me that bravery isn't loud, it's steady, selfless, and pure. Captain Vikram Batra's story shows us that real love for our nation isn't spoken, it's showed through actions. So, a big salute to Pixies. I have a little update that my midterm exams are starting next week, so I'm taking a small break till 16th of October. But don't worry, once my Diwali vacation start on 17th October, I'll be back with loads of new fun and creative videos for you all. Till then, keep shining, keep smiling, and don't forget, ye dil mange more. Jai Hind.